Reduced since 2010 by 37% the number of ghost estates. It's a gradual process again, but I have established, I suppose, a date by the middle of this summer, by the middle of this year, when we will know exactly what is to happen with every ghost estate in the country. So we'll know if it makes sense to complete the estate and for the houses to be sold off in whatever fashion that might be. We'll know if it's a complete waste of time and money to do that. There are some estates where houses have only commenced, they're not even, there's none of them up to roof level.
And will these be returned to greenfield sites?
Some of those will be returned to greenfield sites, it makes sense. There may be other uses for them. You know, a school may need ground for an extension or whatever. So we look at whatever uses there might be, but essentially there will be some of them, because some of them are in parts of the country where there is no demand. So, you know, some of them, by all means, there is a demand either in the private sector or through maybe this, you know, some social housing. In others, there are far too many houses were built. They should never have got planning permission, but they're there now, and we have to make a decision. So we want to see that. I suppose that's one of the legacy issues that we want to have dealt with finally and substantially within the next year or two.